Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So, as you can see in the title, this is ROS unofficial build. This room guys is a GSI custom rooms and it is built or it was built with ARM64A only, and this room guys has no Google application included. And let's gonna see what would be the bugs, features, and the bloatwares of this room. But before we're gonna proceed, please make sure give a thumbs up in this video, comment your thoughts in the comment section, share this video into your social platform, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So anyway, thank you so much for my 2,600 plus supporters and subscribers out there. Thank you so much for supporting my videos, my tutorial. I hope all my tutorial is helping you. And yeah, so this is not the user interface of the ROS guys, and this would be now the bloatware. As you can see, we have a lot of bloatware here, and this is now the calculator, the calendar, the camera, the clock, the contacts, the DuckDuckGo, the email, the files, the footage, camera, the gallery, the messaging, the phone recorder, settings and SAM tool, kit, and the theme. So I used this room guys 1 day or 2 days ago, and it quite all of the feature here or the bloatware is working, and yeah, all of this application is really working. So let's gonna talk about now the bugs in this room. So I experience a bugs is, as we all know, the common bugs is the offline charging and also a screen unlocking delay. When you unlock your phone, it's really a big deal. It's a delay. There's a delay there. So that's the two bugs I encounter: screen unlocking delay and also the offline charging. So we're gonna head now into the settings. So this is not the user interface of the settings. We have here the PHH triple settings, the network, the Bluetooth, the app authentication, the battery, the display sound. So these are common guys, and it looks like a pixel experience interface. So this is now we're gonna head now into the about phone. So yeah, this the room guys is based on Android 10 here, and this is actually under PHSG. So thank you so much sir for this room, and as I said earlier, this is ARM64A and with the latest security patch of February 5, 2020. And here is my kernel version, the RS kernel RC2. So that's all. No, wait a minute. So here is now the features, the basic features, which is all working guys. These are all working. The Wi-Fi, the data, as you can see, are all working here. And also the hotspot, the dark mode are also working. The night light is working. All of this stuff is working except those two bugs, which is the offline charging and the screen unlocking delay. That's are the two bugs. And also I want to talk guys about the battery backup of this room. The battery backup of this room guys is really good. Let me show you here. 46%, about 1 day and 22 hour left. So that's a really good battery backup there. So if you want to ask me how to install this room, it's simply download all the link. I will link all the files in my description. Download all of that, reboot your phone into your custom recovery, do a wipe and format data, and then copy your downloaded file into your phone, and then flash first. Oh no, before flashing, make sure you have a sufficient system size partition. It will be I will recommended a 4 GB of system size partition, but if you don't know how to extend that, please flash the universal repartitioner so that you will get an almost 4 GB of system size partitions. So after getting the sufficient size partitions, now you want to go to the installation part. So first, install first the create vendor 2.0, and then after installing the universal after installing the create vendor 2.0, reboot again your phone into your recovery, and then flash the arrow OS, which is the img type file, and then select a system image, and then after that flash the triblo. So that's all, guys. Hope this video helps you. Give a thumbs up, comment down your thoughts in the comment section, share this into your social media platform, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. See you next video, guys. Hope to see you again. Have a good day. Enjoy flashing. Download a lot of rooms. Try a lot of rooms, and don't forget to install at your own risk. See you next video. Have a good day. Bye.